Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pick a niche for your dropshipping store. So the first place to look when it comes to picking a niche is AliExpress. There's some quick guidelines on niche selection. I recommend picking a niche that is broad, mass market, scalable, with established needs and desires, right? You want to pick a niche that people are buying in all the time, so you can really build a long-term business that you can scale. So on AliExpress, all you have to do is go to the homepage and go to the categories here. Now, once you go inside each of these niches, there are sub-niches that you can attack. So for example, let's go to beauty, health and hair. So in the beauty and health niche, there are sub-niches, right? There's hair weaves, there's makeup, there's personal care, there's massage and relaxation, there's healthcare. In each of these overall niches, there are sub-niches. With your store, you want to pick one niche and then pick one sub-niche and start attacking that. So for example, if we were doing the beauty and health niche, I would go into beauty and health and I would start attacking the healthcare niche, right? You can have multiple collections on your store. You can have, a health collection, a skincare collection, personal care collection. However, the overall store will be a health and beauty store with all of these niches inside it. So that's the best way to really pick a niche. Go through the categories here, pick an overall niche, go inside, pick a sub niche and get started with finding products. The second way to do this is to go on Amazon. Amazon is the largest e-commerce business in the world. Go to the Amazon homepage, go to all, scroll down to shop by department, and as you can see, you have all the main niches here. Electronics, beauty and health, pet supplies. So you pick a niche from here. For example, we'll do beauty and health. And in here, you have all the sub-niches. So premium beauty, salon and spa, men's grooming, supplements, and so on. So this is another great way to pick a niche if you don't want to use AliExpress.